Oh my goodness, guys. Crypto is getting a massive pump today because some great data came out this morning that we'll break down for you. But before we do that, wholly oversold Tesla. I told everyone to buy at 219 and 220. This was 1 day ago. This was posted. I made this post. You see the chart above me. When we were at 233, it was not the time to buy Tesla. That's why I made it very clear. The time to buy Tesla is at the 786 level at 219 to 220. So congratulations if you bought Tesla and took my call. Tesla's at 242 right now, up 5% in pre-market. But Tesla, that's easy to call, right? Tesla's a great company. But what about SoFi? I bought back into SoFi today. 11:01. We'll make a chart update later today. This was posted 21 hours ago to Patreon members. By the way, we are this close to 1,000 members, so I'm super grateful. Appreciate all of you that have been riding with me. SoFi is also up 11.85 from my buy at 11:01. I alerted Patreon members every time I buy a stock or crypto. See, the interesting thing is, you need to learn when to buy stocks and crypto based on, if I can make it super simple for you guys, based off Fibonacci, study the RSI, maybe the stochastic, but I would really say if you start to study Fibonacci, did I say that right? Fibonacci and the RSI, you start to know when to buy like myself. I've been studying this for years. This is how I call Palantir at $7, $8. This is how I called SoFi at $7, $8, $9. We took it up. This is how I've called Tesla multiple times, multiple stocks, and a ton of cryptos we don't even have time to get into. But why is the market running right now? Well, we have great data that was just released. You can see we beat all expectations for CPI and core CPI. Okay, so this is very bullish what you see here. 2.8% versus 2.9 estimated. Okay, so this is really good. This is why stocks are running. So when I said to buy Tesla at 219 and 220, I'll just give you a quick lesson real quick. The reason I said buy is because the daily RSI was at 22, 24, something like that. And we were also hitting the 786 level, which is a reversal point on Fibonacci. If you guys want to learn about this, you could literally meet with me over Zoom, one-on-one. We'll meet for 30 minutes. Check out the links out down below. Gold or Echelon tier. Echelon is more like we text, we talk throughout the week. I really break down your portfolio, really help you maximize your gains, especially going into 2025. We're already here, but with all the volatility that's about to come, you need to be prepared, right? So check out the links out down below. Jasmy is having a nice little pump. I mean, it's so disappointing though, up 6%. You can see this is the last 24 hours. We're starting to create some new structure, but this is what the last 7 days looks like. You can see the last 7 days, just a waterfall of breaking down. Hit a very low point. The question is, was this the bottom? We got the higher lows forming now. Time will tell. This is a good sign, but we really need to break this high point, and we need to start making some higher highs and higher lows to get out of this hole that we're in. I would be watching, guys, honestly, for Jasmy. If you're looking to trade it, look at the daily, okay, and the weekly. Well, the weekly is more of a swing trade, but the daily and weekly, check out where the EMAs are. I can't do it right now. I'm on my phone. I'll make another video to really break that down for you guys. So make sure you subscribe, drop a like on this video. But check where that is, because we could run up to that area and then we could reject. It could be using it as resistance in a way, and we can come back down. So there's going to be trading opportunities for Jasmy right now. I'm glad to see that we're green today with crypto and stocks, but we're not out of the woods yet, right? It all depends on what Bitcoin does. And Bitcoin right now looks like a double top kind of, but the next test will really tell us if the top is actually in, or if we're going to get up to 118, 120,000, which I ultimately still think is possible for Bitcoin. But we need to get out of these woods. Now, we've made a ton of money and great calls in 2024. 2025 has been very disappointing so far. But this is Bitcoin, and this is what you need to be watching for. See these high points right here. So this was around 100,000. Then we crashed down. Then we come up and made a lower high. We crashed down. We come up. We made a lower high, right? We crash down, we come up, we make a lower high. We crash down, now we're coming back up. So are we gonna come back up to this area, maybe around 90, 91,000, make a lower high and then crash down again? Because this right here, this low and this low is not good. Since we made a lower low from this low, it's still kind of bearish. we need to break this area and make higher highs and higher lows. Right now we're making lower lows and lower highs. Does that make sense? So the only positive thing I see right now here for Bitcoin is the data I just showed you, which is good. But also we have positive divergence on a daily time frame, which means we could get a nice pump up to here. But this is the zone you want to be watching for, guys. Put a trend line right here. We got to break this. We don't want to make a lower high, because what happens? Then we sell off. So you may want to take some profit. You may want to be more risk off right now because it's been a great 2024. It's up to you at the end of the day. It's not financial advice, not financial advisor. Just want to share the facts with you guys. Drop a like. We'll see you on the next one.